Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Love it or live it, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. But what is really love is? Overflow your cup of self-love. That way, you can only give love to others when your cup is not only full of love, but overflowing with it. There is something so special about handmade gifts. Yes, flowers are very special for Valentine's, birthdays, anniversaries, and Mother's Day.
But tonight, I am going to teach these two beautiful ladies on how to make a chocolate strawberry bouquet. It's something you can share and enjoy together. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Let's melt the chocolate.
So, Childa, what you got there?
Yes, on a medium heat temperature, I already added 5 cups of water, and I have here a strainer. The purpose of the strainer is to protect the bowl. Or the other options, if you don't have strainer, you can find a ball that just perfectly fit into your pot, and then make sure that the bottom of the ball does not touch the water so that it will not burn the chocolate.
Alright, so what's the best temperature that we have to set the stove?
Turn your heat in a medium low.
In a medium low. Alright, that's perfect.
Also, I have a tip for you.
For us too?
Yes,
Alright.
for everybody, for all your viewers, beautiful viewers. So make sure that the water should be simmering but not boiling, okay?
Oh, that's perfect. When we cook, procedures are very important, and to avoid mistakes. And of course, sometimes we make mistakes, but we need to know what we are doing, right? And I just feel honored because she is the pandesal queen. She is the pandesal queen. She does good pandesals.
Delicious.
There you go. And she always bake for me, and next time I'm gonna make sure that I will make a pandesal episode with her. Alright?
Alright,
Perfect.
thank you.
So, Asako, what you got there?
I have beautiful binoculars, and I have water tube. Water tube will keep flowers fresh for a long time.
I met Asako through designing flowers.
Yes.
She's very talented woman. And met in the event.
Yes.
Great. So, and me, I need to make sure to dry the strawberries because strawberries they need to be completely dry. Water is the enemy of the chocolate. Since we are celebrating love this month, love is kindness, love is joy, love is peace, love is
Patience.
and love is self-control, love is goodness, love is faithfulness. And did I forget something else? You can pick one word. What is love?
For me, I think love is patient.
Yeah, very true.
Patient love is persistent love. It is a kind of love a wife or a husband has for their spouse. It says for better or for worse.
Yes.
They have chosen to be faithful and remain committed to each other, and this is a long-standing.
Miss Philippines!
It's smelling so good and smells so good.
It smells so delicious.
So delicious.
What about
Can't
you?
wait.
What word you can express what is love?
For me,
Yes.
love is joy,
Ooh, I like that.
and joy is the settled assurance that God is in control of all the details of my life.
Yes.
The quiet and
Having
confidence.
faith is very important in our lives.
Yes,
you know.
yes, and having confidence that ultimately everything is going to be all right.
All right. And what else?
How about yours?
Oh, what about me? I think love is goodness. Because, in everything we do, if we have goodness in our heart, it's so easy to cooperate. It's so easy to love people if we have the goodness in our hearts. And I know it's so hard to love and lovable, but if we want to live in peace, love, joy, and everything, whatever in our hearts, we should have that, because we only live once.
Yes.
That's right.
And we need to make it right.
Yes.
And forgiveness is very important too.
Yes.
We need to forgive the people who did something to us, and we have to forgive ourselves too and able to forgive.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah. Wow, your chocolate is melting.
Yes,
Wow.
so perfect.
Looks
Wow.
beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow.
All right.
Perfectly melting.
Moving on to our chocolate strawberry bouquet, dip the strawberries into the chocolate mixture. Toppings can be sprinkles, finely chopped nuts, or chocolate. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. Life is defined by the choices we make. Will you choose to love? Chocolate-covered strawberries are these cute and exotic-looking treats which are super easy to make using just 2 ingredients, chocolate and strawberries. And also, it will give you perfect chocolatey strawberries every time. That is cooking simply delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!